In this video, I'm going to show you the most powerful, focused page builder for learning management system websites called Aircraft. Aircraft works with any modern WordPress theme, and it introduces a powerful, beautiful, customizable design library of elements to help you increase your course and membership sales, enrollments, to simplify the whole design process and speed up website design so you can launch quickly with a beautiful looking website. Once you have Aircraft installed and activated, all you have to do is hit the plus button, click on patterns, and here are all the different design elements you can add with Aircraft. Let's add a hero. Once you've added an element, you can just replace this content with your own. Let's see what this looks like. Now let's add some more elements to our web page using Aircraft. So I'll add a trusted by area. And then I'll add an area about our services since we offer courses, coaching, and community. Let's sprinkle in some testimonials. Update. Now let's add a few more elements. Let's add some team. And let's add a call to action for the membership. And let's add one more big testimonial at the bottom. Click Update, view the page. Look how quickly and easily I can build a beautiful looking website. You can use Aircraft anywhere on your website. Let's add a content upgrade to promote our ebook about halfway down our blog post. So here, I'm just going to add a call to action Aircraft element to promote my ebook. Click Update, view post. And there's our content upgrade to grow our email list. And just as one more example, let's add some testimonials to one of our courses. So I'm going to click Edit Course and go to where I want to add the testimonials. So let's do that right here. Hit the plus button, patterns, testimonials, and we'll add a row of 2. Looks great. And of course, you can replace this content with your actual testimonials and switch out the pictures as well. So let's click Update. And now our course page is even more beautiful. So increase your sales, enrollments, and create beautiful website design with Aircraft by LifterLMS. It works with any WordPress theme. It looks great on our theme called Sky Pilot. Go to LifterLMS today and get Aircraft to improve your website design.